Hello viewers, this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Today's concept is contracted form of auxiliaries with not. This video will help you in framing tag questions. Watch till the end of the video. In this video, I have represented all kinds of auxiliaries with not. How to change, how to write its contracted form. Let's get started. Do plus not, don't. Does plus not, doesn't. Did plus not, didn't. Am plus not, aren't. Is plus not, isn't. Are plus not, aren't. Was plus not, wasn't. Were plus not, weren't. Have plus not, haven't. Has plus not, hasn't. Had plus not, hadn't. Shall plus not, shan't. Should plus not, shouldn't. Will plus not, won't. Would plus not, wouldn't. Can plus not, can't. Could plus not, couldn't. May plus not, mayn't. Might plus not, mightn't. Must plus not, mustn't. Used plus not, usedn't. Need plus not, needn't. Dare plus not, daren't. I hope this video helped you a lot.